said, are you in my dude right now?
Say hi to YouTube. 5-year free university. That's so funny, dude. American corner. Most deaf. I would say that's not really a good thing to be called. No, it's supposed to be Probably not. You're way too young to probably remember. No, I think they were really young. Literally, that song. Free. Oh my god.
Somebody must be cooking up a nice meal.
Yeah, Mom's please forward.
All the people get car sick.
Okay, almost there. I mean it.
Oh no, I was fine until you started going backwards.
Okay.
I gotta be facing the other way.
Oh yeah. What is that?
I think that's
blue water. It's coming to the volcano. Hot water. Look.
Can you go swimming?
Well, maybe not that part.
Probably not.
Okay, here we go. the end. Extra shaky at the end. Hey, baby.
I'm gonna wait for them because I want to make sure they know the hell we're going.
Yeah. They're not freaking out.
Oh yeah, snakes sitting down there and stuff.
I don't think it's really that high though. It just looks more like it's like a. It looks more like a walk across though. It's not like a over nothing. You know what I mean? Oh, it's just one big ass rock to another big ass rock. I don't think it matters, baby. Yeah, this is okay. If we fall, I might land on a rock. A little bouncy here, wow. As ready as I'll ever be.
See you never.
You'll be fine.
So long, soldiers.
Ooh, okay, it's not as steep. It's not as steep.
Oh my god. Trucking it.
Thank you. Dude, it just was all shaking and shit.
Oh, and I started looking down like this.
A little nerve-wracking. Oh my god, we thought that was steep. This is even steeper.
Alrighty, come on. He's just coming from the volcano?
Yeah. Down.
Yeah.
it bother Crystal. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it's massive actually.
Oh shit!
Yes.
Go down, that's hot. Dude,
Come on,
I
Alex.
didn't touch it. You just put your air in there. Dude, no, it's hot.
That shit is different.
That shit's hot.
It's different.
You gotta do it now.
Yo, it's different. It's different. Do not touch the rock.
I won't touch
Do not touch that rock.
No, only.
Yeah.
Hover your hand. That's
Yeah,
it.
it's hot as shit.
feel from here.
No, it.
Not touch.
No, you don't feel it immediately, but it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Float your hand over that hole. That shit is hot. Yeah, that's hot.
I see the smoke coming out.
That's hot, so that's. Oh, fuck, imagine being inside a volcano.
Yeah, I think you'd be dead. Wow. You just feel that steam in the breeze. I'm glad I got to see a hot spring at least once in my life. This is actually sick.
This is very natural hot spring.
Yeah.
Here, run.
Everybody needs, yeah. This is the mud mask. Okay, the cool mud mask. Yeah.
What's that one?
That one and that one. Yeah.
This is the mustache.
Okay. No, you going first. I remember the hot pool. You waiting for 10 minutes. You go and shower right here on the status.
So cool.
See how dry and cracked on the
We
walls?
going there.
The mud.
Okay.
Can we use whichever one we got?
Well, it's a big step down. I went down the side. Oh. I went on the side. I screwed up.
Kind of nice.
Oh, take a video of me.
Okay, bitch, ready to do to Mexico?
You'll be in the sauna for 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh.
So you put the mud on the skin.
Oh.
The sauna open the pores. When you put
Oh,
the, listen.
I think I'm only in there for like 2 minutes. I don't think I can last 5. Come on in. Enjoy the mud. I'm coming back in. I want more mud. What? Whoa. It's deep there. No, you're not gonna dry then.
You are not.
Yeah.